we are committed.
Kanong ba Shillong Khasi ya kajing Rakhe ya ka International Women's Day hene kasngi. Hakaba ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women haringkat kajing trilang bat ka St. Anthony's College Shillong. Ha kajing kershan lang da ka National Commission for Women hene kasngi kalapanlong ya ka National Parliament for Women ha auditorium jong ka St. Anthony's College. Kumjo ka District Legal Services Authority East Khasi Hills District haringkat kajing trilang bat ka Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority hapo ka National Legal Services Authority kalapanlong ya ka jingpen ya ka program hasurok ka bayaday bat ka Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act ha Police Bazar. Ikong Angela Rangat jong katma urang lijuki ilapanlong ya kani ka program banpen kenmau ya baro halor kani kasngi ka bakerpang jong ki kenthai batru ban kentiu ya ka rukom im batru ban wanra ya ka hok jong ki kenthai.
We need to remember that 8th March is about all of us. It is about ordinary women, struggling women, and it is not a greeting card day where suddenly governments, corporations, corporate governments wake up and start greeting us and wishing especially successful women or beautiful women, because it's not about that. It's about our everyday struggles to usher in a more equal world and a society where being equal is a society that moves forward and that expands freedoms for everyone.
Ka Meghalaya Police